Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the ultimate head-to-head comparison between three of the absolute smartest artificial intelligence models on the planet: OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Soul, Anthropic's Claude Fable 5, and xAI's Grok 4.5. If you are a developer, automated business builder, or researcher, choosing the wrong brain for your pipeline will lead to extreme operational costs and massive logic errors. Starting with GPT 5.6 Soul, this is the current heavyweight champion of raw programmatic execution. It scores an incredible 80 points on the coding agent index and rules the complex terminal bench with absolute dominance. Soul is highly autonomous, meaning that if local code fails or dependencies break, it will actively edit its own files and run local sandboxes until the job is done. Next, we have Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's powerhouse designed for ultra-long horizon reasoning. With an enormous 1 million token context window, Fable 5 is the undisputed king of deep codebase migrations and massive document synthesis, processing complex multi-day projects with ease. However, it is heavily filtered, incredibly slow, and expensive. Finally, Grok 4.5 represents the ultimate in raw developer efficiency. It matches frontier-class software development capabilities at a mere fraction of the cost of its rivals. If you need autonomous local execution, select GPT 5.6 Soul. For long horizon logic, buy Claude Fable 5. But for fast, affordable day-to-day coding inside your editor, Grok 4.5 wins. Subscribe the channel for more videos.